Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Ducky Hatching. It's your boy Mr. K.
I'm Mary.
Mary, what's Ducky Hatching?
Ducky Hatching is basically a series where we're going to show our latest products on the channel.
Yeah, which means all the new toys will be right here. So Mary, what are we unboxing today?
So we showed these keyboards on our social media a while ago. I'll give you a hint. They have a small form factor.
The year of the rat.
No, not quite. They're the first keyboards mass produced with an iridescent finish.
For real?
Yeah, for real. Mecha SF Ocean Emerald.
Oh! Let's get into it. Thanks, man. Oh, okay. Alright, more? Oh, that's enough, bro!
One little Easter egg I want to point out with the box. You know, we use this cube design on all our boxes. The Shine 7, the Mini, the Mecha, you know, it goes on. I don't know if you noticed or not, we have little arrows here. These are the arrow keys that are on the SF.
Oh.
And these blue boxes here, these are the page up, page down, delete keys as well.
Oh, so this design is based on the SF
Yeah,
itself?
this is the SF here on the box.
Wow, I didn't notice that.
Yeah, it's really cool. And one thing I also want to point out.
The sticker!
if you have this sticker on your box, your switches are the upgraded 100 million click switches instead of the usual 50 million click switches.
Oh, cool. So, like my favorite switch, the red switch,
Yep.
they got upgraded
yeah,
too?
That's 100 million. My favorite switch, black, that's also 100 million.
Wow, good upgrade. So, let's see what's inside the box.
In the box, we have our extra keycaps. They are PVT double shot. Ocean and Emerald will have their own specific colors.
Yeah.
So mine, Emerald, will have cyan and orange.
And Ocean would have the blue and white.
Yep. We also have the wire keycap puller.
Yeah, hey guys, something that you need to know is that the wired keycap puller is something that would not affect or damage your keycaps when pulling it out compared to plastic ones.
Yeah, because they kind of get really tight on the keycap. We also have the USB-C cable. It's 1.8 meters. And it has this little Velcro on it as well, which is, I find it really handy for like cable management and stuff.
Yeah, and both of these edition comes with black cables.
Yeah, they're both black.
Okay.
We also have this little warranty card. On the back it has the QR code that takes you to our website where you can find the manual online as well. Want to see the keyboard?
Yeah, why not? The Mecha SF. Like what Mary said before, the first mass-produced keyboard with iridescent finish and the key.
You grabbed the wrong keyboard from the shelf.
What? The Mecha SF. Why don't you tell us about this?
Yeah, I probably should. So, as I said before, they have an iridescent finish. You can see the color change from about a 30 degree angle.
Yeah.
Emerald kind of goes from like a green to green and then to green again. Like
Yeah.
different shades of green. What does yours go from?
The Ocean goes from like purple to blue.
Yep, purple to blue. I think there's a little bit of green in there as
on
well.
this angle, a little green. Yeah.
Also on the case, we have a little serial plate here. Every keyboard will have its own unique number out of 2021. Next to the USB-C port, we have, mine's essentially a very fancy way of saying green. Yours is a very fancy way of saying blue.
So do you know how to say the fancy Chinese word?
Chang, chui. Okay, back to the keyboard now.
Alright.
The keycaps are 4-tone PVT double shot. The 4th tone comes from the extra keycaps that we included in the box that we showed before. And on the side here, next to the arrow keys, we have our logo embossed. It's got the same iridescent finish as the rest of the case, so it all blends in really nicely.
Ooh, that's sick.
Yeah.
So what is PVT double shot?
PVT double shot. So PVT is the material used to make your keycap. It's very resistant to wear, so it won't shine quickly over time.
Yeah.
So it's really good to make keycaps with. Double shot is the method used to make the keycap. So the legends and the rest of the keycap
Yeah.
are both separate pieces of plastic.
Oh.
So they won't fade away. It's like when you get two Lego pieces stuck together and they just won't come apart. It's pretty much like that.
Yeah, so PBT double shot equals high quality.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So one other thing that I would never miss is the feet.
The feet? Why?
Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you about it, just listen to it.
Okay.
You get that? Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people have asked us if these keyboards have RGB.
Do they?
They do.
Okay.
The RGB is controlled all on board, just like the regular stuff.
Yeah.
So FN, Alt, and T to cycle through all your modes. And to change the color on certain modes, you can use FN, Alt, and spacebar. That will bring up a color palette where you can select a key and it'll display that color. Or you could also use FN, Alt, Z, X, and C. Z being red, X being green, and blue is C.
Okay, so that is something that I really like about Ducky keyboard, because all you have to do is press some keys and you can actually change the light right on the keyboard. Yeah, but like I'm a person who like to use a full-size keyboard, but how can I change the keys on it? Because I like to insert instead of delete. So what can I do?
Insert instead of delete.
Yeah.
So you can macro these keys onto the keyboard. So you have to be in profiles 2 to 6 to do this. Once you enter macro profile and select a key to assign, so delete for you, you can macro insert onto it by pressing FN plus Y, and then once you save it, delete will function as insert.
Oh,
You can do that with all the nav cluster keys. You can also do this with media keys. For example, play pause is FN, win, and D. You can also do this with our LED profiles. The manual will also have more details and just in-depth knowledge of the keys that you can macro onto the keyboard.
Yeah, so go to our website for the manual. That's pretty much it for our first episode of Ducky Hatching.
It was the quick introduction video to our Mecha SF keyboards.
If you like our video, give us a like, share, and subscribe.
If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you want us to see hatch next.
See you in the next one, guys.
Bye!